Okay, today I have a board. This is Lenovo board. I don't know exactly the type, but uh, the story of this board is it is coming out for motherboard repair. Yeah, I had not checked when the laptop is coming, and when it is for hinge repair, hinge repair. Yeah, and when I had been repaired the hinge and put all back together, the laptop is not coming on. So we will repair this board now. This motherboard is for the name is NMA9H1. Yeah, this one NMAH9H1. I have been found the schematic, but the schematic, and the board view too. So here the schematic is this one. Yeah, here we have pin. This is the coming for uh, DC jack connector, and then we have PK311, and then we have PK312. Uh, I haven't found the problem here of this laptop. The 19 volt is not across this MOSFET and the PK911. Yes, PK311. Sorry. Let's check. Yeah, let's check. But but if you check with the multimeter, suddenly the 19 volt is across the MOSFET and 24 volt on the gate. It's reason. Okay? Uh, I took out the bias battery, so if we plug the charger, automatically, automatically the laptop is turning on. Of course, yeah. Okay, plug in the charger. We have nothing. The meter is not turning on. Yeah. Switch the power button. It's nothing too. Okay, let's use the microscope. Yeah, you see, the meter is 19 and 00. And when I measure the voltage at the gate, the laptop is coming on automatically because I don't know why, but I think I have problem with the MOSFET. There's the PT9311. Here we have the jumper. This is not, there is no current resistance on the main power here. Here we have 3 point, and you see the voltage of on the meter. 2.9 and jump to 3 and back again to 2 point, yeah. And when I check at the gate here, we only have, yeah, we have 20, 23, 24, yeah, and the laptop is coming on, yeah. Okay. You see, yeah, yeah, you see the current, yeah. Okay, I took on the charger. So we have problem this, yeah. We have problem of this MOSFET. I think the second MOSFET at the main power here, yeah, at the beginning and the second one, we have problem one of them because when I touch with the probe of the multimeter, the laptop is coming on. Okay, I will replace the second MOSFET first. I think I will replace the second MOSFET and we test again. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, I forget to let you know about this problem because I have been uh, assemble the laptop. Yeah. The problem is yeah, 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 here. This one. The MOSFET, I don't know the problem well, but I don't want to lose my time. Just only want to know about what the problem it is. Because I get a shortcut to solve this problem. I just remove the MOSFET and get and and remove the MOSFET and make a short with the with the cable. So the 19 port will across the MOSFET and the second MOSFET. The second MOSFET is good. Can across the voltage, yeah? And but based on sorry, I there's my schematic. Sorry. Mm. Okay. I want to find this schematic. I forget I put it where. Here, here. Okay. Okay, here the schematic, yeah. Here, yeah, I think Peki 9, sorry, Peki 311. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, see, what? Peki, yeah, this one is Peki 311, yeah, the MOSFET. Like we see on the schematic. Right? Okay. PK311, yeah. When we see here, yeah, 3, 4, 5, yeah, we can see here in pin area we have no connection to another. This is only the capacitor. Right? So it's safe to make a short here, the bridge here. So I do that sir, because I don't want to find out, don't replace the big chip because it is nothing. Okay, after that we test it. Yeah? We will test, plug in the charger. Yeah, you see the orange light is blinking. It means the voltage is going, and that's the we see the button. Yeah, the laptop is on. You see, we have picture here. So I think the problem is solved. I do the repair with the simple way. If it is not make a problem with the motherboard, I will do. Maybe the other people said me dodgy, but I don't care because with it working laptop, not something like uh, a public Lenovo do, because they make a schematic. So I will modify schematic if I can. Okay, I will stop the video now. Thank you for watching. But if you do like me, you must responsibility with yourself, and for me it's nothing happened. Yeah, it's okay, it's safe. The battery, if you remove the battery and with uh, go with the new battery, it will be charged normally. Yeah? Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like. See you in the next video.